I think it's a success.
Your success.
We can be up on a video now, guys, in DL1. So funny.
Except the middle one.
The middle one's being a butt munch.
Jesus. I think that's the first time I heard that word in like 7 years.
That would be a cute video. Give it a YouTube channel. We can enable comments, but...
Yeah, I can't fit it. There's no room in that word. Is there a way you can hook this up to the ultrasonics? Yeah, it's definitely a way. I mean, quickly? Gracefully.
So we can make it another one for that side.
It's just not, we can wear it over.
And then extend the breadboard or something. We've done so many crazy
Yeah,
things.
yeah, we can. Man, I can